Let's move on to the camp of sensational singer Kim Promise. Yeba Ghana hadia musicians are want to who you fell where you want to what's that one pay me want to Sakura shine. I when you get closer, you can see your reflection on their heads. On my pampas so when reflection that's so. Yes, Can Promise is one of them. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I brought you the news that the CEO of Three Music Network or Three Media Network, Baba Sadiq, has made a post on social media saying that or notifying everyone that there is no way he's going to support the singer Can Promise because of issues we are cuddle with honor and management, you know, to the extent that Baba Sadiq said, music channel and any TV channel for the Three Music channel, no, what ban Can Promise from airing on that particular channel. So now, update our banner. Kim Promise has finally spoken. He has finally said something regarding everything that Baba Sadiq says. So let's go into the details. Now, after weeks of being silent on the issue and Kim Promise in recent interview stated that he would only be hurt by the decision if he had done something wrong. But in this case, he was not at fault because there was no agreement between them. He added that he was not in any way hurt by Baba Sadiq's decision to blacklist him on all his channels. And he said, I'm not hurt by what he did. When you have done something, then it gets to you. But I haven't done anything. I was looking forward to performing at Wonderland. It looked beautiful, but we didn't come to an agreement, he stated. And he continued to say, Sadiq is a very integral part of the industry. I've known him even before I blew up. I have not spoken to him in a long time. The last time he came around, I didn't know he had a problem with me. Now, the slowdown hitmaker also noted the importance of not creating division amongst folks in the industry. I am not about tearing down. We are already behind when it comes to a whole lot of stuff. We can't be promoting division. For me, I will never speak on anything. Some people know I won't speak on anything, so they go ahead and say whatever they want to say, he added. Into Asama Owen, so this is what Kim Promise is actually saying there. Baba Sadiq saying that there was a back and forth when they were booking him for the Wonderland program, or called the Christmas, you know, organized by ISV Media Network. You know, the last time we can in show they offer nice the day na later craft the obeba later will give out demand to be also okay negotiate and all of that. In the end, Can Promise failed to perform. But according to Kim Promise now, from what he's saying, the little we can deduce from what he's saying is that there wasn't any agreement. Ma ono onimno. Ono na ono so Oreka. So somebody's favorite artist, yes, Obini favorite artist ne Oye Can Promise. And this is what finally Can Promise is saying. Joe Kambu. Ha Asama Oreka. Onion. Well, know that this is Showbiz Bars and we are live on Idea J TV Facebook page. So go on there right now and like, tag your friends, share, and then send in your comment.